Hey, what's up, guys? Your boy Gizmo Built. I was doing a little hurricane cleaning over here, Florida. I came across some 977 parts. Figured I'd run it through you guys if I put it up on eBay. Maybe you guys might be interested or something. I got some 748, 747 parts. Some 966 parts. And some 720 parts. If you guys see anything at all, catches your eye, let me know. 954-558-5267. And get it shipped out to you guys. Also, I've been getting a lot of comments and questions about the adapters. They're coming out really soon. I did make some associated, some for the mini revos. I did make more fronts than rears this time. And also I have some 6mm and 8mm spool adapters coming out pretty soon. Different colors, anodized. I got the adapters anodized in different colors. So stay tuned, that's coming up real short. Again, anything you guys see here, let me know.